In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio in Google Meet. If you have ever found yourself in a meeting where your audio settings needed a little tweak, you're not alone. Fortunately, Google Meet makes it pretty straightforward to get your audio just right, whether it involves switching between devices or adjusting the volume. Follow along as I guide you through the process. Let's begin by discussing the importance of selecting the correct microphone and speaker. Often, audio issues arise simply because Meet is set to use a default device, which might not be the best choice for your current setup. Once you're in a meeting, the first thing you want to do is locate the arrow next to the microphone or speaker icon. This little arrow is your gateway to selecting the right device. Once you click that arrow, a drop-down menu appears. This is where you can see all the available microphone or speaker options connected to your computer. You might have options like a built-in microphone, an external one, or a headset. You should choose the one that best suits your environment and purpose for that particular meeting. After selecting the microphone or speaker, it's always a good idea to ensure that they work correctly before your meeting progresses. To do this, you can test your speakers by clicking on the speaker option and then choosing test speakers. When you perform this action, you should hear a sample sound. If you do, then everything is working perfectly. If not, you might want to check your connections or try selecting the right device again. Now, let's talk about adjusting the volume, as sometimes it's not the device but the volume level that needs tweaking. This is particularly critical if you're having trouble hearing other participants clearly, or if your audio seems too loud or soft. You'll find the speaker icon located at the lower right corner of your screen. By clicking this, a slider will appear. Using the slider is intuitive. To increase the volume, simply move the slider to the right. Conversely, to lower the volume, shift the slider to the left. Adjust it until you reach a comfortable listening level. Remember, you can always make these changes even during a live meeting if necessary. And that's it. With these simple adjustments, you'll find that managing your audio in Google Meet is both quick and easy. Whether you need to switch devices or adjust your volume, these steps ensure you'll have clear and effective communication during your meetings. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your audio settings in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps enhance your meeting experience. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.